Hello learners. In the previous video we learnt about error handling. In this video, we will deep dive into the concept of Fetch API. So, watch this video till the end. I would request you to please subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Let's get started. First, let's understand what is API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. API acts like a bridge that allows to software applications to share data with each other. Some API needs API key, password, for access. Now, what is Fetch API? Fetch API is a modern way to make HTTP requests, getting data from an API or sending data in a server, in JavaScript. Before Fetch API we used XML-pressed, which was known as AJAX and was more complex. Fetch is cleaner and uses promises. Now, let's see a quick demonstration of it. First, we will search for a free API without any kind of API key for demonstration. There are many free API available which serves multiple purpose. I will provide you the link of this free website in the description box. From here you can get free APIs for practice. We have created a promise object named URL which makes a GET request from the API given inside Fetch. In the next line, we have passed the response from the API into JSON. The second line is very important as the response we got from the API should be converted into either JSON or in the text format for execution. After that we are using .then and catch in order to use the data we have obtained from the API. Here is the data we have received from the API. Let's try this with some other APIs. The data we got from the new API is also printed in the form of JSON. You can also convert the response object received from the API into text form. Well, this is just a quick overview or introduction to Fetch API. There are a lot more to explore this amazing topic. If you want to learn the complex topics of JavaScript with easy tutorials, you can go through this playlist. Here, I am continuously uploading tutorials on the different concepts of JavaScript in an easy way. That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.